Okay guys, now we are going to learn how to speak with expressions. This is very, very important. As I asked you this general question and you guys answered, many of you were emotionless, right? So that emotion is very, very important within your language. Remember, whenever you speak English or any other language, there is one thing we call it intonation. Intonation means appropriate voice as per the message. However the message is, your voice should be appropriate according to that very message. For instance, have you ever noticed whenever you wish your friends, for example, if it is my birthday and you have to wish me birthday, come here. Now you're going to wish me birthday. Come on.
Oh, happy birthday.
Again.
Happy birthday.
A different way. Now different way.
Happy birthday, dear friend.
All right. Now let's change the situation. You are wishing birthday to a little child. Now you're wishing, okay, for example, they are all children. So it's his birthday. He's 3 years old. Yeah.
Oh, Kuchiku.
Come again. Kuchi what?
Kuchiku.
Kuchiku. Okay.
Happy birthday.
Yeah, you say goo goo goo. Yeah. Okay. You are wishing birthday to your teacher.
Dear teacher, happy birthday.
That's good. See that? Dear teacher, happy birthday. Now listen, I want you all to say it all together to him. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you.
See that? Why are you saying thank you? Is it your birthday? No. Now you sing back. Sing.
Happy birthday to you.
Yeah. All right. Thank you so much. Thank you. Good job. So, expressions in the voice, they are going to make your communication more powerful, right? If your voice is emotionless, meaningless, if it is having no proper voice, then most definitely people will not believe you. For instance, if I have a headache, the first thing is headache will change my facial expressions, and then headache will change my voice, and I will talk like ill people. Right? If I'm having a headache and I say, oh God, once again, I've got this severe headache, people are likely to believe me. And if I say, hey, you know, I have a headache again, second time this week. Will you believe me? You'll make fun of me. Okay? So, three things should be matched, or we use the word congruent. Let's just go on. It is your verbal, vocal, visual. These are called 3 V's of good communication. Verbal, vocal, and visual. Now what is verbal? Verbal is words. The words that you speak. Vocal is voice that you use for it. And visual is, yes, expressions, or we call it body language. If these 3 things match, you are an excellent communicator. And if there is a problem, you might notice sometimes some lecturers are delivering the lecture and they're standing in one place and they are talking, expressionless, feelingless, emotionless, and they are delivering the lecture like this. You don't like them. You don't even feel good in the company of those people, right? So words, voice, and body language. And very simple, according to communication experts, words account for 7% in effective communication. The role of words in effective communication is only 7%. Then we have this vocal, voice, that is 38%. And then we have body language, 55%. So if it's like this, most definitely you are likely to be believed by the people. Now, we will pick up one sentence and I will change the mode and tone of that sentence. The sentence is, I want to drink water. Repeat. Okay, now say this politely. Say this kindly. Say this angrily. Say this loudly. See that? Yes. Sentence is same, meaning can be Different, right? For example, when you say, I want to drink water, maybe you're dying or you need water. And when you say, I want to drink water, what does that mean? Angry. You're showing some authority. And if you change the tone, I want to drink water. It's a question. I want to drink water. No, juice. Okay, or something like that. So voice is very, very important. After voice, it's your animation, it's your body language. Whatever you say, your body language is important. If someone is talking to you like this without a single movement, and you see, yes, okay, today's lecture is going to be very interesting for many of you. We are going to talk about the importance of body language. As you know, whenever we communicate, body language, like that. See, so you need to be animated. You need to use the last thing, that is what we call visual. Because whenever you communicate, ears listen to your words, voice, intonation, and all that. Eyes observe the way you react, your actions, your movements, your body movements. And in that, we do have eye contact as well. If you look at the audience, if you look into the eyes of the audience, they are waiting for your eye contact. They are actually keeping eye contact with you. So whenever you talk, you need to take care of these things. Now, it's not necessary that you're going to become a lecturer. In your university life, you often have to deliver presentations. Yes. And sometimes you have to give explanations also to your teacher. For example, you're coming late. For example, the class has started, 30 minutes gone, and you open the door and it's you, and lecturer looks at you angrily. Now, if you are a good actor, right, you can convince, and at the end, the lecturer will say, oh, I'm so sorry, please sit down, beta. Something like that. And if you're not a good actor, you say, get out, leave my class. Something like that, okay? So actions and the words and the body language, they should be in the same way. We have a group of people in our country who use their body language, actions, facial expressions, and language to deceive people. We call them politicians. Yes. See, they are so much, I'll do this, I'll do that, and this and that and all that. So they use their fake body language. They use their fake voice. So you need to be able to understand what is real and what is fake. Okay, because sometimes people, in English we say, fake it until you make it, right? So you need to understand the fake or deceptive body language, eye contact, and all that. Sometimes, you can even know about the character of a person from his eyes. Yes. Yeah? Yes. Lady's going and he's looking. Yeah? Ghar tak puchate. Something like that. So you can even judge the character of a person. I had a student from Sindh province. Whenever he was there in the class, I talked to him. He was talking to me like this. Okay, sir, I will do it. All right, sir, no problem. Okay, sir, मैं आपसे एक और बात करना चाहता हूँ. He was looking down, and I was uncomfortable all the time. I said, why are you looking down? Look into my eyes. He said, my parents taught me never look into the eyes of teacher. Right? You have to lower your eyes in front of the teacher, like on Walima Day, Dhulan is doing. Okay? So this is the sign of respect. For instance, body language can show respect. Okay? I've got this thing, I give it to you. Hold it.
Yeah, thank you.
One way is give it back to me. Yeah, sure. All right, I give it to you. Catch it. It's another way. And if I give the same thing to him, like this, what does it mean? Respect. You're giving respect. Your teacher says, give me a marker. You say, here you go, sir. Is there any respect? No. Sir, marker. Okay? So body language is very important to express respect, to show yourself, your feelings, your emotions, and all that. And if you use good body language, you will have a very peaceful future life. Inshallah. Okay? Thank you so much.